Get this 15-page art layout kit from my Etsy shop called My Dreamy Home. Use the room mockups to arrange and rearrange your gallery wall or large artworks. Print and cut out my samples of art prints and place them on the room's blank wall. Practice moving them around to get comfortable with arranging. When in doubt, lower it. I've seen many rooms with the art hung too high. The artworks need to be a part of the arrangement you're hanging them over. When hanging a painting over a sofa, think of the two as one design. This means that the bottom of the art should only be around 6 inches above the top of the sofa. A gallery wall with many pieces also needs to be hung so that the bottom is close to whatever it's hanging over. If there's nothing below your artwork, then hang art at eye level, about 60 inches from the floor to the center of the artwork. This is the same measurement if you have multiple pieces. Hang them so the center of the entire arrangement is at 60 inches. I suggest using Velcro picture hanging strips. All you need to do is stick them to the back corners and place the art anywhere. You want to work out your arrangement first with my room mock-ups and cutouts, and then just use a level to adjust the top lines. Go to my Etsy shop called My Dreamy Home, where you can download and print this kit.